Welcome to a magical land where letters come to life. Let's open the book and start our ABC adventure. A says A for apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Wow, a yummy apple. B says B for ball, B-A-L-L, ball. This ball is so bouncy, boing, boing. C says C for castle, C-A-S-T-L-E, castle. Wow, a real castle. Let's go inside. D says D for dragon, D-R-A-G-O-N, dragon. Look at the dragon dance. Let's dance too. E says E for elephant, E-L-E-P-H-N-T, elephant. Wow, this elephant is so strong. F says F for fireworks, F-I-R-E-W-O-R-K-S, fireworks. Wow, look at all the colors. C says G for gold, G-O-L-D, gold. A treasure chest, I feel like a pirate. H says H for hot air balloon, H-O-T-A-I-R-B-A-L-L-O-O-N, hot air balloon. Up and away. I says I for ice cream, I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. My favorite, so cold and sweet. Says J for jump, J-U-M-P, jump. Let's all jump like J. K says K for kite, K-I-T-E, kite. It's flying so high in the sky. L says L for lighthouse, L-I-G-H-T-H-O-U-S-E, lighthouse. Look at the bright light, it helps sailors find their way. M says M for magic, M-A-G-I-C, magic. Abracadabra, magic is fun. N says N for nest, N-E-S-T, nest. Shh, the baby birds are sleeping. O says O for octopus, O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Look at all those wiggly arms. P says P for popcorn, P-O-P-C-O-R-N, popcorn, yum. Let's catch some popcorn. Q says Q for queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Your Majesty, you look royal. R says R for rainbow, R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. Look at all the beautiful colors. S says S for star, S-T-A-R, star. Let's make a wish on the star. T says T for train, T-R-A-I-N, train. All aboard, choo-choo. He says U for umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Phew, good thing I have an umbrella. V says V for violin, V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. Listen, the violin makes beautiful music. W says W for waterfall, W-A-T-E-R-F-A-L-L, waterfall. Wow, look at the water splashing down. X says X for xylophone, X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E, xylophone. I love this happy tune, let's dance. I says Y for yacht, Y-A-C-H-T, yacht. Let's sail across the ocean. L. Z says Z for zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Look at those black and white stripes. Narrator.
Cheerful in all your ABCs in a magical way. Great job. See you next time for another fun adventure. Bye-bye.